So, iOS 27 has been out for about a week or two now. And the next update we're expecting is iOS 27 beta kedua. The big question is, what could this update actually bring? At this point, it looks like iOS 27 beta 2 will mainly focus on bug fixes and overall improvements. I also expect Apple to refine parts of the user interface. One issue I've noticed on almost all of my devices is that the liquid glass customization slider isn't easily accessible in settings. You actually have to search for it because it's not where it normally should be. That's definitely something Apple will likely address. Another area I think Apple will improve is performance, especially on older iPhones. I've already noticed some slight speed improvements, but Beta 2 could bring even better optimization. In particular, indexing has been taking longer than usual on many devices. Phones are still processing and organizing data in the background, and that's causing some delays. I think Apple is receiving plenty of feedback about this issue. So, there's a good chance they'll work on improving indexing, performance, or make the process less noticeable to users. Right now, a lot of people are confused and concerned about it. Overall, those are some of the biggest improvements I expect from iOS 27 Beta 2. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more updates. As always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out!